In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a component in Webflow in just a few clicks. This is a super useful skill when you're building layouts faster, reusing design patterns, or testing variations without breaking your original component. Whether you're new to Webflow or already working on client projects, mastering component duplication will save you a lot of time. We'll go step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently duplicate any component inside the Webflow designer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Webflow and navigate to the website project where your component lives. Make sure you're inside the Webflow designer, not the editor, because components can only be managed from the designer view. Once your site loads, navigate to the page that contains the component you want to duplicate. This could be a navigation bar, a card layout, a section, or any reusable component you've already built. Take a moment to visually confirm that you're selecting the correct element, especially if your page has multiple components that look similar. Now, click directly on the component in the canvas, or select it from the Navigator panel on the left. Using the Navigator is often more precise, especially for complex layouts with nested elements. Once the component is selected, you're ready for the next step. With the component selected, right-click on it. This will open the context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Duplicate. As soon as you do this, Webflow will instantly create a copy of that component. The duplicated component will usually appear right next to or directly below the original, depending on your layout structure. At this point, you've successfully duplicated the component. You can now move it, rename it, or modify it as needed. If your component is linked to other instances, keep in mind that changes may apply globally unless you detach or convert it to a separate component. This is great for maintaining consistency, but it's something to be aware of when making edits. Take a second to check that everything looks correct and that the duplicated component is behaving exactly how you expect. And that's it. You've now learned how to duplicate a component in Webflow quickly and efficiently. This simple workflow can dramatically speed up your design process and help you build more consistently across your site. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more Webflow tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.